Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Now I'm going to try and make this a super quick video because I want to share with you a makeup routine that I like to do that is quick, easy, simple, light. I don't have time to be faffing around with heavy makeup. I'm not one of these people that loves to do contouring and all this good stuff. It looks amazing, but I don't have time for that. We have places to go, we've got people to see. Well, we're in the middle of a pandemic, so maybe we don't, but anyway, normally we have places to go, people to see, and we just like to do things quickly. So I'm going to be sharing with you just a quick and easy, simple routine that I do for my makeup. So let's get started. Okay, and as you can see, I'm rocking a pony today. I'm getting so bored of my hair, but I thought I'd switch things up and rock a little bit of a Ariana, yeah. And also, as you know, I live in the middle of London. I have cars whizzing past. It's rush hour at the minute, so I've got cars whizzing past me. So yeah, please forgive any noise that you hear. Just forgive me. So anyway, let's get going. So I'm going to start off with my primer, and I'm going to be using the It Cosmetics Bye Pores. I think it's really important when you are doing your makeup to set your skin as well as you can with your skincare. Make sure your skincare is good, and also because I've got oily to combination skin, I like to prime. So I like to prime my skin. Now generally I prime mainly, you know, in the T-zone, I would anyway, but to be honest, I just like to slather it all on. Now as you can see, I'm not a makeup artist or anything. With anything I do, it's just easy, quick, simple, and I like to get rid of the shine in that T-zone, and this is a really good one for me. So always like to prime before I do anything else, and then I just like to let whatever I put on my face, just let it sit for a few seconds so that it absorbs into the skin properly, and it just does its thing. So once I've done that, I then go in with my foundation, and I'm going to go in with, sticking with It Cosmetics. This is their Your Skin But Better foundation and skincare, and this stuff is glorious. They recently launched a 40 shade range of this, which is amazing, just amazing. And this one is Rich Cool number 50, so that's my shade. So I just do a pump of that. It's a lovely consistency because it's really light. It's a really lovely light, watery, but not too watery, if you know what I mean, consistency. And I'll just do half my face at the moment, so you can kind of like see the coverage, that you can see that the coverage is quite light but buildable. So I don't know if you can see the difference there between the two sides. So my skin is a little bit uneven, so it's really good for just like evening out my skin tone. So I'm going to do another pump of that and do the other side. So just quickly brush over the other side. Okay, and as you can see there, that's with one layer. I'm going to put a slight little pump on my hand just to go over just a few areas. So that's what I mean when I say it's buildable. So you can go as light or as heavy as you want, and I'm sticking to it being generally pretty light, just because, like I say, I don't like heavy makeup or anything. So generally that just about does me. So as you can see, I think the coverage is amazing. I honestly think the coverage is fantastic. If you want something a little bit heavier, then they do have their CC cream, which is a little bit thicker. But if you want something lighter, more fluid, then try this baby out. This is fantastic. And then once I've done that, I'm going to go in with my concealer, and this is one of my favorites. This is Naked. This is Urban Decay's Naked Skin, and I love this. This is in shade medium dark. This is, oh, you know, when you're like, oh, getting old, need my glasses. Medium dark warm. So I'm gonna go in, I've nearly finished. You can see, look, have I even got anything in here? I've got a little bit. So I'm just gonna go in with my concealer, and I don't have time to be doing all the, you know, fancy stuff that all the other younger girls do. We're just trying to get in and get out. That's what we are trying to do today. So let's just blend that in. I'm using my beauty blender to blend it in. I like using a sponge. I just think it's slightly lighter. So it's just tap, 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 tap. There we go. And as you can see, it's a little bit lighter underneath the eyes. I'm not too dark under my eyes, which is good, so I don't go too heavy there. But I always go back in with the foundation brush just to even that out, just to blend that out just a wee bit more. Not too much, because you don't want to kind of like completely get rid of it, but just a little bit more. And then I think I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. I'm a lover of eyeliner, and I'm going to go in with the ByTerry Ligne. I don't know if you say that right, if I've said that right, but this is the ByTerry Ligne Blackstar. I don't know if you can see that. Is it picking it up? I hope so. Max in the back. Max always wants to get the videos, but I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. So excuse me whilst I like pull funny faces whilst I try and do this. Okay, as you can see, there's one eye there. There we go. So there's one. Let's do the other eye. Okay, and there's the other eye. Not completely perfect, but we're trying to do this quick. That's the whole point. We're trying to get through this quickly. Okay, and then once I've done that, I go in with my mascara, and I'm going to use this one from L'Oreal. As you can see, this is so old. Look at this. Look at this. That's how much I love this mascara. And I have to say, and I always say it, L'Oreal do the best. They do some of the best mascaras. They really do. You can't go wrong with any one that you buy from L'Oreal. It's amazing. So let's go in with the mascara. See, look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Look, 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 look. Yes. Hope you can see that. I love L'Oreal's mascaras. They're amazing. We have two on. Can you see? And they look amazing. Let's do the bottom. There we go. So that's just one coat. I'm just going to go over quickly just with another quick coat. There we go. There we go. What do you think? I'm not one for false lashes. Again, haven't got time for that. Have not got time for that. Okay, and then next up we're going in with the... See the signs of aging. You can't remember what you're doing. eyebrows, that's what we're doing. And I'm going to be using this one. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift. So we're going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift. Hopefully you can see that. Can you see that? Oh, not focusing, but never mind. Trust me, Charlotte Tilbury Brow Lift. So we're going in with that. Now I'm thinking about having my eyebrows microbladed. They're not the best, my brows, but they could do with a bit of work, but they're not the worst either, so you know, it is what it is. But thank the Lord for eyebrow products that just help give a little bit more definition. So I'm doing this fairly quickly because time is of the essence, dears. Time is of the essence. Not that we've got anywhere to go, but that's not the point. That is not the point. We will do one day. We're going to get out of this, and we will have places to go and people to see. Okay, brow number one. Let's see if we can do the sister brow is always one that never wants to behave, but this generally is the decent one. But let's see. So I try and just do like little strokes. Again, I'm not one for like heavy makeup looking like too false or anything. It's not my style. I just try and keep it as natural as possible. Might take a little bit longer doing it this way, but I think, what do you think? I think we're kind of about there because we don't have all day to be drawing on eyebrows. After that, I'm going to go in with ByTerry's eyebrow mascara, just to A, give it a little bit more colour, and B, just to hold it in place as well, just to set it also like that. So it's just like a little bit of finishing off really for the eyebrows. Okay, I think we're about there. What do you think? I think we're about there with the eyebrows. And then I'm going to go in with Charlotte again. We're going with Charlotte Tilbury's Film Star Bronze and Glow. And I love this. I love this little set. I've had it forever, and you can see there's still so much of it still to be used. But I'm just going to go in. I never quite know where to place this. I think it goes just underneath here. Like, I've got reasonable cheekbones, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. So I'm just going to go in just underneath the cheekbones just to give a little bit more definition there. I think I use this more than I do blusher, to be honest, just to create, see that, a little bit more sculpting on the cheeks. And then I'm just going to go in with this here, the highlighter, just to pop a bit of highlight on the top, like so. To pop, not too much, because remember we're doing a quick everyday makeup routine. We're not doing going out discoing with Kanye and Kim. If only, if only. Right, and then finally I'm going in with lipstick, and my absolute go-to are these Givenchy products. This lip liner is my go-to. You can see I've hardly got anything left of it, but this lip liner, Mocha Rembensan, is the bomb for me. So I'm going to go in with that, and I like to fill it in as well, just a bit, to make my lipstick stay on, and also to get a nicer blend. That's a nice colour on its own, look. Look at that. And then I'm going in with Nude in the Dark. I love, love, love this colour. Love it. Look at that. Look. How nice. Nice, huh? It's so hard as a black woman to find a good nude. And what I found the key to that is a good lip liner. A good lip liner. It is the key to finding a good nude, because when you have a good lip liner you can kind of put a lot of other nudes on top and it just works. So that is pretty much it, but I'm just going to finish off with Chanel Coco Chanel, and this is the Le Beige number 40 Healthy Glow Sheer Powder. So this is a Healthy Glow Sheer Powder. Like I say, I have oily to combination skin, even though at the moment I am perimenopausal and my skin has gone a little bit more dry, but generally I would use this just to powder and to get rid of any shininess, and just to keep the skin looking a bit more matte, because I am not one of those dewy people. No. When you've got oily combination skin, you're trying to get rid of the dew and the shine. You're not trying to add it. So I always like anything that mattifies a little bit. So this is Chanel's powder. And that is it. That is my go-to makeup. Now I know I was longer than 5 minutes, and I knew I would be. I knew there was no way in the world that I was going to be able to get through minutes in 5 minutes. That was pushing it a little bit pushing it, but it's because I was obviously explaining as well. So anyway, so that's my quick everyday with a pony, with an Ariana go-to look when I just want something that's super simple, easy, quick. I love these products. They are amazing. I'll link them all below, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.